Internet Computer ICP holders, I just recently realized something potentially massive for the Internet Computer ICP price. That is why you must pay close attention, because right now in the next couple of days or weeks, a big move could potentially happen for the ICP price, and you are completely unaware of this, and I'm here to break this down to you in this short and quick update video. So without wasting any more of your time, let's jump straight into the charts and discuss exactly what is going on behind the scenes for the Internet Computer ICP price. So right now, if you take a closer look into the charts, yes, we are still trading at the same range we have been for the past few days. We are hovering sideways. The market has been pretty boring, but do not let this boring price action fool you, because if you take a closer look right now into the charts in the daily time frame, you can see that the price of ICP, Internet Computer, is being suppressed. It is being compressed between this support zone and between this resistance trend line, clearly being compressed between support and between resistance. We are moving towards this point right here where big things usually start to happen. We have seen this setup happen multiple times in ICP's history and in many other altcoins history, where the price has been suppressed or is being compressed between a major support level and a major resistance level. Eventually, the price has seen a massive move once it reached the breakout point right here. So right now, ICP is approaching the point of breakout where, you know, the resistance trend line and the support level is meeting each other, and that's where usually we tend to see the price create big moves in the market. And right now, ICP is in this situation. So what can we expect from here for ICP? Well, for now, I've got a couple of warnings, because right now, if you take a look at the MACD in the daily time frame for ICP, it looks like the red line is about to cross over the blue line. The red line is about to cross over the blue line, and that is usually a bearish indicator. And once it happens, we could most likely expect the price to have a dump in the near future. But since it's only the MACD which is doing this, this is not enough information to conclude that we could expect a dump in the future. So for now, closely monitor the charts, because right now, if you do see ICP break above this trend line, that is the bullish confirmation, and we could expect higher prices for ICP until we touch this next major resistance. However, if ICP breaks below this red zone, that is the bearish confirmation for ICP, and we could expect a continued or a sustained dump towards the downside until we touch this next important level of support at around $4.6. So again, a quick recap: if we do see ICP break above the trend line, that is a bullish confirmation. If ICP flips this trend line to support, that is great, and we could expect a sustained pump towards the upside to this major resistance zone that is at around $10 or $11. However, if we do see ICP in the next couple of days lose this red support zone, if ICP loses $6.5, that is dangerous, and we could expect a sustained dump towards the downside until we touch this next major support zone at around $4.7. So right now, look at the targets we have pointed out. Look at the respective targets right here. Again, for the bullish scenario, we're expecting $11, but for the bearish scenario, we're expecting $4.7. So here are my respective targets for this potential massive move that could potentially occur in the next couple of days or weeks. So watch out for this, because ICP is being suppressed again between two important levels right here, and this is where breakouts eventually happen. So just keep an eye on this one, because this could potentially be massive for the price, and it could be dangerous, especially if you are unaware of what is going on behind the scenes. So now let's move into the long term and discuss exactly what we're expecting right here. So right now, it looks like ICP for the past couple of months has retraced back down right here to this key level of support. This was previous major resistance marked by these two rejection points, and now since we have broken above this level and retraced back down to it, this is now flipped to major support. So it was previous major resistance, now flipped to major support. So first of all, that is great because because right now ICP has bounced off this level. So it just shows the ICP is respecting this support zone as reflected by this bounce we had right here and over here. So first of all, that is great to see. But again, just be aware that if you do see ICP break below this red zone, that could be dangerous, and we could expect a continued dump towards the downside to this level right here. However, if the bottom is going to be marked right here, if this was truly the bottom, then that could be great, because this could be the beginning of the new uptrend in the immediate short term. So what are we expecting for ICP in the long term? Well, for this bull cycle, I have mentioned this multiple times, that we are targeting a $100 ICP in this bull cycle, which would place ICP at around a $50 billion market cap, which is about a 10x to about 15x ROI from the price we're at right now. And again, the important resistance levels to look out for are the following. So if we do see ICP in the next couple of months have a nice rally towards the upside, look out for $23, look out for $35, and look out for $55. These are important levels of resistance, and we could most likely expect a pullback or a sharp pullback from any of these levels right here, because again, these are major levels of resistance. These are psychological resistance levels, and people are also looking to offload their positions around these levels. But again, we're still expecting a $100 ICP in this cycle. That is my personal target for ICP in this bull cycle. Obviously, my targets may differ from others, but this is what our analysis is saying. So, also, I just recently launched a new Telegram group. So if you guys want to be one of the first few members to join, you can do so through the link in the description of this video. In this group, you will be receiving timely market updates and even gain the ability to connect with very many awesome people. So if that sounds great to you, join my new Telegram group. The link is in the description of this video, and I'll see you in the next